The Idiya Edinburgh dining set comes in both a 4 and a 6-seater option. It has a thick glass top reinforced on a steel frame that comes in both a matte black and a wood grain finish. The chairs come in a grey colour and have a soft padded upholstery whilst also having a steel frame with a wood grain finish. It's a versatile set that looks great in any cafe, lobby or dining room. The under table clearance is 73 centimetres. The seat height is 45 centimetres and the seat width is 43 centimetres. The 6-seater table measures 150 wide by 80 deep by 75 centimetres high. The 4-seater option measures 120 wide by 70 deep by 75 centimetres high.